Want to use a CapCut template on your iPhone but don't know how? After watching this video, you can create amazing videos in just a few taps. Cause in this video, I'll show you how to use any CapCut template step by step, from finding the right one to editing and exporting it perfectly. So let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed in with your CapCut. Next, tap on Template tab below. Here you'll now see lots of trending and recommended templates. Scroll through the list, or you can use the search bar at the top. You can type something like birthday, vlog, slow motion, cinematic, etc. Once you find one you like, tap to review it. Then tap Use Template at the bottom of the screen. Before tapping Use Template, if you look at the top of that, you can see how long your video will be and how much footage you'll need. After that, tap on Use Template. Now, select the photos or videos you want to use from your gallery. After selecting all footages, tap Next. Here, CapCut will automatically apply the effects, transitions, and music from the template. After the preview loads, you can still tweak things like text, music, clip order, filters, or stickers. Just tap on any footages. Now you will get some options that you can modify. After completing modifying all these, then tap Export from the top right corner. Here you can select a resolution. Just tap on that number like 1080p or 720p. Now just drag the pointer to increase and decrease the resolution. I recommend to select 1080p. This is higher than others. Then tap Done. After that, here you will get some options like Save to Device or Save and Share to TikTok. If you want to share this video to TikTok, then you can select the second option, or you can select Save to Device option. I suggest to select Save to Device option. Then it will take a little bit of time to export. Wait until the process is completed. And there you have it. This is how you can use any CapCut template on your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.